In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this bright and easy spring look. I always start with Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer. Smooth onto the eyelid and make sure that you're not using too much of it. I'm going to start with some softer tones. You can use browns, light purples, mauves, whatever you want to use. And we're just going to pack this color onto the eyelid. Once we've got the bulk of the color on, we're going to go in with a blending brush. Smoke this up just a little bit past the crease. So we're just going to smoke this underneath here. Now, going in with this darker shade, we're going to use a little bit of a smudging brush just to kind of smoke right by the lash line to intensify it and give it a bit of depth. Grab some of that lighter tone again, just a little bit, and lightly hit your brow bone. Now, we're going to grab a brighter yellow with our blending brush again. Pop on some falsies. Then, grab a bright eyeliner, or a brown if you prefer, and apply to the lash line. Apply a soft brow with quick and easy strokes. Grab a brow gel. You don't necessarily need one that has color, but you just want to make sure that the hairs stay in place all day. Apply a soft pink blush to the cheekbone. Then, a nude lip liner, a shade or two darker than your lips. Finally, finishing off with a gloss. The final look is just a soft pop of color, natural, but with an edge. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I would also love it if you checked out my Instagram. The link is down below. Thanks for watching.